What's up, tubes? I'm gonna try recording this. If you could see all the snow we got, man. We got quite a bit of snow. Uh, I'm walking to Walmart right now. I'll go get some beer. Oh, can't be sitting at home with no beer, you know what I mean? There's some of the snow that's part of Home Depot's parking lot there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let's see. There's the bulldozer there to do it. Because a regular plow truck ain't gonna get that. Oh, yeah, it's pretty nuts in Upper Michigan right now, especially people that live in the woods that they don't have the city to come and plow them out. Okay, I gotta try and walk through this here to get to Walmart. And I know everything looks white to you guys, but this is some really, really deep snow. It's like I'm like up to my waist. Alright, I just made it through all that snow. It was literally up to my waist. I don't know if you can see my pants, but at all this, you can't even see the stores. Barely or nothing, man. Lots of fucking snow. Oh, and you know, it's dangerous. I'm kind of used to this. Not used to it, but I know how to get around in it. If you don't do it. Stay at home and be safe, because it is dangerous. So, you know, even that snow I was walking through, you gotta be careful, because you know, if you trip or something, you could fall into that and get snow and all of your stuff and everything, and you're nowhere near your house and you'll be freezing. But yeah, you can't even see the strip mall right there. Goes a bulldozer. Yeah, and those guys are here all day doing that, just pushing, because it just keeps coming, man. It just keeps coming. So they're out here all day pushing it, you know. Also, another thing you gotta worry about is the wind, because especially when snowbanks are that high, that wind pushes, it blows the snow everywhere, and you really can't see. You have to like look straight down when that happens, unless you have like goggles or things to prevent it. These hoods, like I have on right now, that have the fur on them, those are actually very helpful, because the fur catches some of the snowflakes. A lot of them. Some still get through, but it helps. Yeah. Be safe, guys, you know. And, you know, underneath the snow is like pure ice. It's like pure ice under the snow. Because right before this, we had warm weather. It was like 50 degrees out the other day. And we had snow and it was melting. So once it got cold out again and all this happened, it, froze and then the snow went on top of it. So I would listen, just stay indoors if you don't know how to maneuver through this,